was Shab's presents. Bhindi Sabji. To make this you will need namak, 1 teaspoon mirchi, a half teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, onion, tomato, frozen or regular bhindi, coriander, oil, curry leaves, adrak laisan ka paste. Fry onions in the oil till transparent. Then add adrak laisan ka paste. Mix well. Then add mirchi, namak, haldi and coriander powder and mix well. Add tomato and mix until they are soft. Then add some curry leaves. Add a pack of frozen bhindi. Cook until the bhindi stickiness goes away. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Lastly, add coriander to garnish. You can serve this sabzi with roti or rice. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye now. See you next time.